Hey team, Rock the Rotator. This is Sherry, and I wanted to just do this video to provide a little more clarification on something. Here in our files section in the Facebook group, you've seen Chase Swift graciously share some of his VideoMakerFX project files that you can use if you follow the instructions that we have in the pinned post. I'll show you that in a minute. You can actually use this project to crank out several hundred unique videos and earn rotator shares right away before you need to start learning to create your own project. And I want to show you exactly what to do with this. Now this is on a Windows computer, what I'm going to show you, so hopefully you can follow along, and if you have a Mac, perhaps we can get Chase to do a video. Actually, I think he's already done one, and we'll get those all together for you. So you want to go to the Files tab, which is right here on the Rock the Rotator group, and you're looking for any of these that end in .prj, and you just come over here and do download. Then when you get to this screen, you have two options. You have open with and save file. You want to make sure that you save file. Click OK. If you're using Firefox, and I recommend that you do, if you look up here to the top right, there's a little blue arrow that should be on your Firefox toolbar. You want to click on that arrow. It'll show you the things that you've recently downloaded, and if you right click, you can do Open Containing Folder. And this is the file right here that you won't want to open it, but you'll want to right click and copy and save it someplace where you know where it is. So I'm going to right click and copy, and you might want to save it to your My Documents folder, or you could write down the path right here where this file is, like it's in my C drive, Users, Kirkland Enterprises Downloads folder, this path right here. You could write that down on a piece of paper so you know where it is. You want to make sure you know what the file is named. But I'm going to copy and place it on my desktop. So I'm just going to paste it right here on my desktop for right now. I just right clicked on the desktop, and I'm going to click paste. Okay, so here it is right here, Female Customer Story 2.prj. Then I'm going to open up VideoMakerFX, log in, and I'm going to click Open Project, this big white folder right here. And then I'm going to go to my desktop. Notice on the left-hand side here, there's always the option of desktop, which is just a folder. So I'm going to double click that, and then I'm going to look for that PRJ file. Here it is right here, Female Customer Story 2.prj. And I'm going to click Open. That will bring in all of these pre-written slides that Chase so graciously created for us, and all you have to do to begin earning shares is to paste your keyword phrase right here for this slide, and you do that over here on the right on the text tab, and you click text area 1. So this is the phrase right here that you're going to want to copy and paste your phrase from Team WooCar into this slot right here. You might need to watch the other training videos first so that you understand this. This is not a full training. This is just simply to show you how to use these PRJ files that Chase has shared with us. And he also has training to show you how you can use this template 15 times with different keyword strings. So you're just switching this out, and then you can change the background color on the slide. You can change the length of the last slide, like right here on slide delay. Lots of little simple things you can change, and then do 15 more videos. Ultimately then, what you're going to need to do is go to audio settings and apply a different piece of music. Now, I know right here that this shows that he's applied A Better Day, but you need to uncheck this box, check it again, and reselect the song, whichever song you want to choose, and click Apply. Then you can save your project It'll save right over the top of the one that you imported. Then you can export the project, and you would just come over here and change the name to your keyword phrase, whatever your phrase is. So I'm just going to type your phrase, but you would actually copy and paste in whatever phrase that you were given from the team site. Then you click Start Video Export, and it begins to export for you. Just make sure this goes okay. It seems to be hung. There it goes again. Okay. If it makes it to slide 2, then you're completely safe. If you don't switch out the audio, you're most likely going to get an error message right here. This happened to me when I tested, and I went to support at VideoMakerFX, and they instructed me to reapply the audio settings, and now you can see that this is creating just fine. Now this is creating the MP4 video file that you will upload to the Team WooCar site. So just to go over this again, you imported a project file, and you're exporting a video file. There's another video on this same page. Look around, and it shows you, a little bit more in detail about PRJ files and MP4 files. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this because I'm not going to save this video, but just know that that export then goes to this location on your computer, whatever it is on your system. I've already redirected mine to a special folder, so yours will be different than this, but this shows you where that file ends up. And you might need to write that down on a piece of paper, whatever you need to do, so that when you get ready to upload the video to Team WooCar, you know where to get it. Okay, that's it. Bye for now. This is Sherry Kirkland.